how are you? So nice to see you. We have the today, and you can read? Oh, yes, you do. Let's start. Now, first of all, you can use can to express your abilities, what you can do. Ok? Esprimi le tue abilità. I can do something. Yes. You know what? Yes, you can. Certo che puoi. Let's start to see some examples and also the structure of can. Yes, how to use it. In affirmative sentences, we add subject plus can plus the verb. The subject. Okay, let's look at some more examples. I can play the piano. She can take really good pictures. We can use the computer. And you can speak English. Yes, you can speak English. Now, in negative sentences, what do we have? We have always the subject. Plus, cannot, or can't. You can see not means no. So you can't plus verb. Okay? For example, you can't ride a motorbike. Okay? Let's see some more examples here. I cannot play the guitar. She cannot take good pictures. We cannot use the computer lab. And you cannot speak French. Okay. The interrogative sentences now. We have can. It is at the third place now. Primo posto. Plus subject. Can I? Plus verb. Can I go? Please. There is a question mark. It is a question. Some more. Can you dance? Yes, I can. No, I can't. Or can you ride a bike? Oh, look at this bike, a strange one. Yes, I can. No, I can't. Okay. And here there are two good dancers. Let's go. Now, the next one is coming. Okay, go. Don't worry. Yes, just 1 second. So now there is another use of the verb can. Do you remember it? We use it also to ask for permissions. For example, what will you ask? Let's see. Yes, can for permissions, but also for prohibitions. If you want to go to the toilet, what will you ask? Can I go to the toilet, please? And now, for example, let's look at these signs to understand if we can or if we can't do something. Can I park? No, I can't park. Look at this sign, the red sign. È vietato. Now this is another sign. Parking area. Now it is a different situation. Can I park over there? Yes, you can. Speed limit. Limite di velocità. 25 or 40. How fast can I drive by these roads? I can drive at 25 kilometers per hour. You have to go very slow. Devi proprio andare piano piano. No smoke in this pub? No, you can't. Of course, you're very young. You don't need it, but keep in mind. And this is different. Designated smoking corner. Can I smoke in this? Yes, you can smoke in the smokers area. Not everywhere, eh? Non dappertutto. Let's see something more. Are you okay up to now? Tutto chiaro? Can I talk here? Remember, you can't talk in the library. Non si parla. And now, let's go on. Let's see. You have to wait a little bit. Huh? Sometimes it is slow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, come on. Come on, come on. This is my dog. It is Mia. Okay, now. Homework. Oh, probably you didn't want to see it. Yes. The next 2 pages are the homework. Page 14 and 15 of this presentation on your exercise book. And here there is a video. Okay. Okay. So let's look at the next page. Page 14. So now if I can show you, there is children, a nice interview to make to your mom at page 14. Then at page 15, you will tell what you can do. Okay? Now, let's go on. I think I will see you the next time. You will find everything on your